OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G smartphone. It comes in chromatic gray and pastel lime color variants. It has Oxygen OS based on Android 13.1 OS and Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G processor. You can choose between 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM variants depending on your usage. Now let us look at its 6.72 inches Full HD Plus display for cinematic viewing. It has 120Hz adaptive refresh, 16.7 million colors, 391 pixels per inch, 20:9 aspect ratio, 550 nits brightness to ensure vibrant visuals. The 108-megapixel with EIS plus 2-megapixel rear camera setup and 16-megapixel front camera helps you capture the world on the go. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh and 67-watt SUPERVOOC endurance edition for long-lasting battery.